Here I've got Sharp D10 and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick more. And here you will notice personal hotspot. Simply open it, and now by tapping on this switcher right next to personal hotspot, you can activate your Wi-Fi hotspot. And that's it, now it's active. You can see the sign over here right next to the hour. And if you would like to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, and I mean changing the network name and also the password, click on Set up Wi-Fi hotspot. And here, simply by erasing this Sharp name, you can enter a new one. And then also you can change the password if you want to. Click on the eye icon to see what your current password is, delete it, and enter a new one. Tap on confirmation mark one more time. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Your personal hotspot is active, and also you've got your new name and also the password. You can switch off personal hotspot the same way as you've switched it on. You can also have a quick access to portable hotspot through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate hotspot icon, click on it, and that's it. Now it's active. Then if you would like to deactivate it, simply tap on the same switcher one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can personalize, use your personal hotspot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.